What are UK interest rates and when will they fall? The Bank of England has held rates at 5.25%, but cuts are expected later in the year. Interest rates move up and down to control UK inflation, which has come down sharply in recent months, easing the cost of living pressures. Interest rates set by the Bank of England affect mortgage, credit card, and savings rates for millions of people in the UK. So what I'm showing you here is an article published by the BBC yesterday. As of time of recording is the 15th of February 2024, and this article was published on the 14th of February 2024. What are the UK interest rates and when will they fall? It goes on to say in this article that the Bank of England's base rate currently is 5.25%, and this is what it charges lenders to borrow money. Lenders meaning mortgage lenders. Now, this has a knock-on effect on what other banks charge their customers for loans such as mortgages, as well as interest they pay on savings. The Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee meets 8 times a year to decide what the base rate should be. It has a target to keep inflation at 2%. Inflation is the rate at which prices are rising across the economy as a whole. So when inflation is going up, the Bank of England may decide to raise rates to encourage people to spend less. The idea of this is that it helps bring inflation down by dampening demand. So once this starts to happen, the Bank of England may hold rates or cut them. So how do interest rates affect you? According to the English Housing Survey, just under a third of households have a mortgage. When interest rates rise or fall, more than 1.4 million people on tracker or SVR, meaning standard variable mortgages deals, usually see an immediate change in their monthly payments. Around 3/4 of these households have fixed rate deals. Their monthly payments aren't immediately affected when the bank changes rates, but future deals are. Although mortgage rates have been lower recently, they are still much higher than what they've previously been in the last decade. This means for home buyers and those remortgaging will have to pay a lot more than if they'd taken out a mortgage the same time a few years ago. Around 1.6 million deals will expire in 2024, according to the banking trade body UK Finance. Are you one of those people whose deal expires this year in 2024? What measures are you taking in place to ensure that you're on the most competitive rate possible? What are you doing to ensure that you'll be able to afford the higher monthly payment? Let me know what steps you're taking in the comments.